What's the meaning of commercial? Commercial. Commercial.
Commercial. Commercial. The word commercial generally refers to activities or products that are intended to generate profit. It can be used to describe businesses, advertising, or any other activity that involves buying and selling goods or services. The goal of commercial activities is typically to maximize financial gain, rather than to serve a social or public interest. This can sometimes lead to conflict between the interests of businesses and those of consumers or society at large. Overall, the term commercial refers to economic activities that are driven by profit motives, and which can influence a wide range of social and political issues.